Hi, my name is Heather. I'm a registered dietitian. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit today about your diet and what you normally eat in a typical day. Would it be okay if I take some notes?
Yeah.
Okay. There are no right answers or wrong answers. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to go through the day and you're going to tell me what a typical day of your food intake is like. So what is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
I eat breakfast, which is usually cereal, and I have a coffee.
Okay, and do you eat breakfast at the same time every day, or does it differ?
It's different every day.
And you said you eat cereal. What kind of cereal do you eat?
Special K.
Special K. And if you can show me the amount that you think that you eat using these measuring cups, just so I can get an idea.
Probably 2 of these.
2 of those? Okay. And do you eat anything else with your cereal?
Just milk and sugar.
Milk and sugar. What kind of milk?
Whole milk.
Whole milk, okay. And do you put enough? What is the amount or the size that you put in with the cereal?
Usually just fill the bowl up.
Okay. And you have extra sugar when you put on?
Yeah, I take a couple spoonfuls of sugar.
All right. And you said that you have coffee in the morning also. What kind of coffee do you usually have?
A large iced coffee.
And do you make this at home or?
No, I go to Starbucks.
Oh, so it's a Starbucks large iced coffee. And do you put anything in your coffee?
Sugar and milk.
What type of milk?
Whole milk.
And after you eat breakfast, what do you typically do before your next meal?
It's usually lunch, and since I'm at work, I usually just go to fast food and get something to eat. Usually like a slice of pizza, or maybe a sandwich, like a wrap.
Okay. And where you work, are there places nearby, fast food places, that you frequent?
There's only one place where I work that is accessible, so I usually just eat there every day.
Okay. So let's say, for instance, it's a day that you're having a slice of pizza. Which plate do you think that it would fit on?
This one.
Okay. And what type of toppings?
Just cheese.
Just cheese? Okay. And if you have a wrap, can you describe that to me?
It's usually like a chicken wrap, which will have maybe cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise.
Okay. And then do you eat anything else with lunch?
No.
Okay. And then the afternoon, what is the afternoon like for you?
I usually get hungry again before dinner and I'll have a snack. I usually go to the vending machine and get either like a bag of chips or a bag of cookies or pretzels.
And do you have your snack at the same time every day, or does it differ?
It's whenever. It differs.
And then after you have a snack, what is the rest of your day like?
I'll have dinner when I get home. I don't get home from work till like 8 o'clock, so I eat then. And I usually pick something up on my way.
Mm-hmm. What do you usually pick up? What is a normal?
Sometimes I'll stop at Chipotle and get a burrito bowl.
Okay. And can you explain to me what a burrito bowl is?
Well, the way I get it, it's with rice, chicken, salsa, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce.
Okay. And if you were to determine the size of the burrito bowl using the measuring cups or the plates, which do you think it would fit best on?
It would probably fit on here. I don't know, it's like this big.
Okay.
but that's just the sizing of the container.
That's
so.
the size of the container?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you decide not to go to Chipotle, is there somewhere else you would stop?
Maybe at the grocery store and get like a hot meal. And I usually pick chicken as my main thing, and then it comes with 2 sides, so I usually get mashed potatoes and whatever else they have, sometimes pasta.
Okay, and for the chicken, is it fried, baked?
It's just grilled chicken.
Oh, grilled, okay. And you said sometimes you get mashed potatoes, or pasta. What kind of pasta?
The pasta is just regular, like rigatoni with sauce.
Okay. And if you could show me here with all of these what size the chicken might be.
The chicken is probably the size of that plate.
Okay. And what about the 2 sides?
Sides are smaller. They're about, each one is about this size.
Okay. And do you eat or drink anything before you go to bed?
No.
What about the course of the day? Do you have any other beverages besides coffee?
I usually just drink water.
Water. And do you ever take your lunch with you?
Very rarely.
May I ask why?
It's just an inconvenience for me because I'm always in transit. So keeping it cold, having enough time to pack a lunch for the next day.
Okay.
I'd rather just pick something up. That's more convenient for me.
And you said that you usually have dinner around 8 p.m., correct?
Yes.
Do you ever eat later than that? Do you ever just skip a meal if you're not home in time?
No, I usually eat whenever I come home. If it happens to be a day that I don't have to work the following day, I may eat later if I go out to eat.
Okay. So mainly, you travel a lot.
Yes.
Okay. And you live in the city also?
Yes.
What is your kitchen like?
It's small. It's a kitchenette.
Okay. Are you able to, do you have a full-size oven?
No.
Okay. Okay. Is there anything else that you can think of? Maybe that you eat throughout the course of the day, or some other eating habits you may have?
I have a sweet tooth,
Okay.
so I like to eat cookies and cupcakes and candy
And when do you eat these?
whenever I get the urge.
Whenever you have the sweet tooth? So it could be on any particular day?
Right.
Okay. And where do you usually get the sweets from? Do you make them at home?
No, I usually buy them at a bakery.
So if you had, let's say, a piece of cake, approximately what size using these cups do you think it would fit in?
Probably this.
And how many times a week do you have a sweet tooth? Is it consistent, or once a month, once in a while?
I'd say at least once a week I indulge in something sweet.
Okay, well that's all I need. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, well I'm just gonna look this over, and we will just get a general, basic knowledge of where your nutritional status is at this point, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you have any questions, please feel free to call me.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.